Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android Face Unlock not working in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is clean the camera sensor off your device with a cloth to see if it is a sensor issue. The other thing that you can do is force close all apps on your device that may be interfering with your camera. The other thing that you must do is head over to settings and make sure that your Face Unlock is enabled. For that, simply head over to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock, and then tap on face unlock. From here, simply enter your passcode, and then you can add multiple faces to your own face to make sure that face unlock is flawless. And if there are no faces, then you will have to add a face over here before you try something else. If the issue still persists, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, and restart your device. After that, you can open the camera app and make sure that you do not receive a notification saying camera is already in use. If that notification appears, then it is most likely a hardware issue and you may have to visit the service center for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.